So we've got a Mercedes-Benz E350 convertible here, and I just wanted to make a quick video and show what happens when the radiators in these fail. So what you're looking at here is not mayonnaise, that's water intrusion inside the transmission fluid. It costs this transmission in this vehicle. We're gonna have to put another transmission in it, also a radiator, and flush the system out to make sure that there's no moisture left in the transmission fluid anywhere. So basically what happened is the radiator failed. It allowed coolant and transmission fluid to mix, and the coolant ended up in the transmission. The customer came in complaining of harsh shifting, not being able to find certain gears. This is a 7-speed transmission, and this is what we found. So now we're going to be getting a new transmission from Mercedes with new torque converter, and like I said, we're going to have to replace the radiator and flush the system out. You can see a regular transmission flush would have never got this stuff out. Only pulling the filter and cleaning the pan would get some of it, but even still, once there's moisture or water inside the transmission, it's end of story. So make sure you're getting your service done at the right place, and checking things like that, checking your fluids when you have routine service. Something like this actually looked like strawberry milk. So if a technician that knows what he's doing checks your transmission fluid level and the quality of the fluid, and he sees this, he knows that there's water inside that transmission. So just make sure you're getting your fluids checked during your routine services.